presence here is a testament to your commitment, to your tireless efforts, and to your dedication to this business, and it's a great achievement. As you know, Gary established our helicrism farm in 2015 here because after a very long research, he found out that actually the best helicrism is grown in Croatia. However, this weekend is not only about creating amazing memories, it's also to celebrate you, to celebrate your remarkable accomplishments, your dedication, and your tireless efforts. I would like to thank you again very much for everything you do, and I'm really looking forward to a great retreat this weekend. Thank you.
once again, thank you so much for all that you do, the passion and love that you put into your business, that you put into Young Living, and all the love that you put back into our beautiful little Healing Christmas plants today when you planted them. So thank you so much once again. I hope to see you very, very soon. Safe travels to all of you back home, and we'll see you next time. Take care.